In today's video, we're working on an existing building and we're installing 2 windows. We don't just repair buildings, we also do add-ons on buildings, such as windows and lean-tos and porches. To start this project, we first took down the sheets where the windows are going to be so we can install our framing. Insulation, all we do is we just cut where the window's going to be of the insulation, and then just keep in mind or work on the existing building. There's going to be conduit and wires in the way, so be mindful for that. Our next step, we'll be making a window box, and then we'll put that window box in the location the customer wants it, and then we'll frame the window box. The next step will be installing a 6x2 window. We use shingle nails all the way around the perimeter of the window, and then you window tape the window, sealing the window off. So our next step will be installing the sidewall sheets and cutting the sidewall sheets to fit around the window, and then trim the window out after that. And that's how we install windows on an existing building.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.